Hey Nash, what should we make?
Why don't you make something using that cowboy candy we made? Like a barbecue bacon chicken thing.
All right, let's use that cowboy candy and make some cowboy bacon chicken. Today, we're making cowboy bacon chicken. This is actually a recipe I saw Robert Arrington make on his channel, Deer Meat for Dinner, and he actually made it with gator, but I thought, hey, that's pretty cool. I'd like to make that with chicken. So basically, we got some chicken breasts that I pounded out thin. We're gonna take those, season them up a little bit, put a little bit of cream cheese and some of the cowboy candy that we made on the other video. Down the middle, roll it up, wrap it with a bacon weave, put it on the grill, sear it, cook it on low, probably baste it with some barbecue sauce, and have these beautiful little bacon woven chicken cream cheese cowboy candy logs. It'll be good, I think, I hope. Let's go find out together. So first we got a chicken breast here. So I'm just gonna lay this guy out, and you can see I pounded it out pretty thin, probably 1/4 of an inch. And we're just gonna hit these guys with a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic. So we'll go ahead and do this guy down, and then a little of that cream cheese. Some of that cowboy candy down. And then I'm just gonna roll this over like that, and then just do this. Whoops. Just our little bacon weave here. And there we go. There's our little, I don't know what you want to call it, cowboy bacon torpedo, cowboy bacon chicken. And once your grill is nice and hot, go ahead and put them on the hot side. We're just looking for a kind of a sear on each side, and also everything to kind of start to firm up a little bit. And then once these have gotten a little bit of sear, then we're just gonna move them over to our cold side. And then we're just gonna close this down, and we are going to let those cook until your meat gets to about 160. When it gets to about 120, we can start to baste. I'm just using barbecue sauce, sriracha sauce mixture. When our guys are all up to temp, about 155, you can go ahead and pull them. That one came apart a little bit. Oh well, that's why we made 3, right? And there's our beautiful cowboy bacon chicken thingamajig. Let's cut this guy open. Cheers. That turned out so good. I'm not surprised, but I'm impressed. I thought it looked cool. I thought it sounded like it would taste good, and sure enough, it's delicious. The chicken is still tender and juicy. That cream cheese adds that creaminess element. The cowboy candy gives it that sweetness and that heat. And then the bacon, well, bacon makes everything better. The bacon with the with that barbecue glaze, it's kind of a perfect mixture. I say give it a try. But let's see what Nash thinks. Come here, bud. What do you think? You know, is that good? Good boy. Great dish. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and take a second, like, subscribe, share the show. I'd really appreciate it. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, drop that in the comments. And if you want to know every time we drop a new video, hit that notification bell. Thank you again so much. I really appreciate all of you. That being said, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.